Just got to add the risers, the treads yesterday, and we're putting a little glue, shooting them on from the back, and then we got 2 handrails to throw up. Taking the old one down, put 2 new ones in, and then eventually we're going to be back to dry lock all this mortar and dry lock. Risers are all in, and now we gotta chop this handrail. I don't got the damn.
Like a little bit.
How did I do the other one? Did I have it playing like this?
You did.
Yeah, that was better. Alrighty, see how it looks. Oh, I think that's the top end. Yeah, that one's the top. Let's see how it looks, and then we'll throw some. Actually, we need to figure out where these brackets are gonna go.
Yeah.
Alright, you want it about waist height, so about right there, way high right there. Right there. There it is, handrails up, risers, treads. Now let's see if we're going back to tear down the greenhouse.
Maybe.
Let's see, that'll be, hopefully we're doing it, knock it out.